to think what to do in some kind of crisis, like if ever we are in the jungle. But the thing is, we Homo sapiens were used of this, like this community, we're used of this social life. We don't do this, we don't do jungle stuff. They're born to do that. So if ever we are, let's say, we had this time where we're in a fight between some bigger apex or whatever. It's just I'm just thinking that animals have like the mind of their own to hunt and kill, and for us we're not going to do that unless it's a must to do. And yeah, that's why. I don't get it. I don't know what I just said, but I just don't think that we are apex. I don't find that. Maybe it's just I'm scared of a lion, but we're not apex. We're back to the stone ball.